All right, let's take a little ride here in a cruiser. Nice, not too expensive either, you know. 74 Chevy Monte Carlo.
Look at the size of the hood.
Yeah.
I thought I was in a Cadillac for a minute there.
It is a Cadillac.
Oh.
No.
It rides like a Cadillac.
That's it, man. You know, it's got a 350 engine, 350 turbo hydro transmission. Got some glass packs you can hear a little bit on there. And it's got some, you know, Dayton type wheels. They're knockoffs.
Yeah, they're real knockoffs.
Yeah. It's a knockoff of a knockoff. No, I'm just kidding. You know, it's got the little white walls on there. It's a cruiser, definitely. And
power steering, disc brakes. The brakes are beautiful. I mean, it's all factory on this car. So
yeah.
No upgrades. It's just got a 2-barrel on the, you know, on the engine.
Oh yeah.
Motor.
Yeah. So it's just a regular, you know, nice cruiser, you know, and
got tilt steering wheel.
Yep. Comfortable.
It came with air originally. I guess the compressor's frozen or something though. But it's all there, so you know if you gotta have air, probably wouldn't be that much to get it going again. Black on black.
Oh yeah.
And it was originally black on black too, according to the trim tag.
Yeah.
You don't see that too often.
It's got the upper side windows here. You know, little windows in the back. That's cool. All right, man. Let's take this around.
Pretty cool. It's smog exempt for us Californians.
Yeah.
1974. You don't have to deal with going to the smog station, catalytic converters. I mean, these things didn't have a lot of power anyway.
Yeah, but you could put a whatever. You can put a blower out of the hood if you wanted to.
Twin turbo Monte.
Yeah. Yeah, double Monte. Yeah, that's it.
That's a nice driver, man.
Yeah, it is. You know, and it these things are fun, but you know, they got lots of room.
Yep.
You got back seat.
Yep. All that.
There's the dash area there. You can see a little bit.
Original AM FM.
Yeah, got the old AM FM in there. All right.
Here's a cool cruiser. You don't see a lot of these in normal condition these days. It's a 1974 Monte Carlo. These are really neat cars, a big-bodied car, but comfortable. Man, it's got a 350 V8 in it, turbo 350 automatic transmission. They come factory with power disc brakes and power steering. It's got it came originally with air conditioning. It's still there, but it doesn't work. It needs to be gone through. Probably AC compressor, something like that. But it's got these knockoff spoke wheels on there. Cheaper paint job 7 or 8 years ago. That's what the previous owner told me. Still looks pretty good. It might be able to be rubbed out and get a little bit more shine to it, but it's presentable. All the chrome, the bumpers and everything are in good shape, nice and straight. This year's got the round headlights, which I think look better than a little later on. They have like 2 rectangle headlights, but this still has like a classic look to it. Black on black is kind of unique for these cars too. You see a lot of different colored ones, but I don't think I've ever seen a black on black one. Black dash, you know, nice carpeting. A couple little things in the seats, but not bad. Back seat's in good shape. Headliner's still in good shape. It's got tilt steering wheel, factory AM FM. I don't think it's hooked up though. There's another stereo in the glove box. It's got dual exhaust with glass packs. Got a good little wrap to it. It's got a rear window defogger. Even works. But we bought this locally. Nice couple had the car. No room to keep it where they were. It was going to have to sit outside. That's how we ended up with it. But pretty neat classic car. No smog either. All right, here's the power plant in the 74 Monte Carlo. Just pretty much stock under here. It looks like somebody might have put a new intake manifold or something on there in the past. It's a 2-barrel car, 350. They didn't have a lot of horsepower, but it goes good. It's probably geared right with the 3-speed transmission and everything. And as I mentioned, it's got power disc brakes up front, factory power steering. It's got some recent new hoses on it, new water pump, just a few things here and there, just to bring it up to speed. New tires. We'll go ahead and fire this one up for you though. Great 350, man. These things will run forever, reliable, get you down the road. You can get parts for it at any parts store pretty much. Best engine Chevy ever made. Sounds pretty good. It's got duals going all the way out the back with some chrome tips and some glass packs. You can tone it down a little bit if you wanted to, but I kind of like it. That's pretty cool. Well, if you want to see this one in person, come out to California Cars. We're at 2158 Union Place in the city of Simi Valley, California. Phone number here is 818 888-591-1313. And I'd be happy to help you. My name's Rich, or if I'm not around, you can speak to Gary in there in the car. Be happy to show you the car. Thanks for watching.